Hello, welcome to Michelle Sews Again. I'm Michelle. It is day 7 of Vlogmas. Yes, we're getting there. Yeah, we're, what are we? Not even a third of the way, a little less than a third of the way through, so yeah, okay. Regardless, I'm still excited. So today, in today's My Favorite Makes Countdown Advent Calendar, I am bringing to you my tie-dyed Callie shirt dress. So I did a review on this after I made it. I will link it up here. And yeah, this is one of my favorites. So this would be in my top 3 if I had gotten the fit right. It is too big. I attempted to fix it by putting a little insert of elastic in the back waist and just kind of cinching it in. I didn't do enough of that, so I'm gonna take that out, and I'm probably gonna add some waist ties just because that way I can adjust it however I want. And if I want it to be loose, I can tie it loose. If I want it to be a little more pulled in, then I can tie it a little tighter. And I think I have enough of this fabric left, maybe. If not, then I'll do a coordinating color. And I think that would be fine. So I love this dress. I've actually made a second one and hacked it. It was not as complicated of a make as I expected it to be. So that is a definite win. And I love wearing it. Like, it is comfortable to wear. I love the colors in it. Obviously, they're me. I'm very happy with how this tie-dye came out. Ice dye. And so yeah, so I've styled it for you a couple of different ways. The first way is just like a go to work kind of in the summer spring because I'm wearing it with some open toe taupe colored suede mules with a little bit of a heel. I don't wear a lot of heels anymore, but this one's a nice block heel, so it's not so it's easy to walk in. And I think it coordinates well with the dress. I've paired it with these really beautiful earrings that my husband bought me for a gift many years ago. They are a one-of-a-kind hand-painted earring with these fun silver dangles. And I love these. I wear these on special occasions. Anytime I have a big, huge meeting where I'm presenting, I wear these for good luck, and they work. Anyway, I thought they paired well with the dress. So that's the first outfit. The second outfit, I layered it up a little bit for colder time periods. So I layered it with this long sleeve tee, black and with the black polka dots. They're almost like Dalmatian. Oh, it's just fuzz. They're almost like Dalmatian dots. And I thought that was cute. To be honest, that black and white striped t-shirt, I layered that with everything because I think stripes go with everything. So I would have layered that with this, but I think you might be getting sick of it. So I switched it up a little bit. And I put some leggings that kind of look like culottes. So they're short, they're like capri length, but they're a little bit wider at the calf. And I paired that with some black heeled, chunky heel booties. And I like that look with because they kind of look like culottes under the dress. And so in this case, I feel like it's more of a tunic. I love the high-low hem of this. I just think it adds an interesting detail. So yeah, those are my 2 ways of styling it. Now, to be honest, the way that I wear this most often is I just wear it with no t-shirt, and I wear it with one of my Vans, either my purple suede Vans or my sparkly white Vans, or just my flip-flops, to be honest. So those are my typical ways of wearing it, but I thought I'd zhuzh it up a little bit for you. So yeah, that's it for me today. Make number 7 for Vlogmas, and tell me what you think of the tie-dye. I like how there's like this focal element in the back, although I probably shouldn't like it back there, but Who cares? Tell me what you think about the tie-dye. Have you made the Callie shirt and shirt dress or shirt? Tell me what you think about it. So I just want to let you know that I am traveling today, and I will be traveling for the through Friday. So when I planned out the outfits that I was going to do as my daily favorite make, I wasn't considering the fact that I'd be traveling, or I might not have known it yet. I don't think I knew it yet when I planned it out. And because I am going to my corporate office for the first time, and other than my boss, the other people I am meeting in person for the first time, I obviously want to put my best foot forward. So I am actually bringing my top 3 favorites that I am planning to save for the last few days of Vlogmas. I still want to keep those as the last 3 because suspense, right? So I might miss a day or 2 in the next couple of days. I'm trying to decide if I want to throw in something that I wasn't planning on doing, or like pull something forward. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do there because I don't want to overpack, but I also don't want to show you my top 3 yet. So, in fact, I'm not going to be wearing this today to travel. I have something else that I'm going to be wearing, but I didn't want to share that yet. So, we'll see. So, don't be disappointed. You need a break. There are so many Vlogmas videos out there. You're probably not keeping up anyway. So I think if I miss a day or 2, it won't be tragic. Anyway, wherever you are, I hope the weather's amazing. I hope you're able to get some sewing in. I really appreciate you joining me today, and I will see you soon. Bye.